I will talk about cell division, which is related to the developmental biology, and obviously I will discuss about the developmental biology and today, obviously, and this is the part 1, series 1 of developmental biology. I will discuss about some terminologies or something which is important to know for group B questions actually. So come to the point, developmental biology. Okay, this is the topic which is important, particularly in CSIR net. Now, what is development? Development is nothing but a series of change from one events to another is called development. Okay, so series of events which leads to one body form to other, one body form to other body. Actually, adult. Okay, this is a zygote. After mating male and female, you know. So this is a development. Okay, and the main important is that there are 3 stages of development. Which are they? Actually, they are: number 1 is growth, stages of development. Number 1 is growth. Number 2 is differentiation. And number 3 is morphogenesis. Okay. So at first I will discuss about the growth. Next, determination, and then morphogenesis. Now, what is growth? This is a particular stage of cell division with expansion or maybe not. Okay, the growth relevant to cell division and expansion. Growth may be done by 2 stages, cell division and expansion. Sometimes expansion is not occur in animalia, obviously, but in plants expansion is done simultaneously with cell division. Okay, now there are some characteristics of growth. Which are they? Number 1, in animalia, actually nucleoplasmic, that means cytoplasm and nucleus. Cytoplasmic and nucleus, nucleoplasmic ratio. The ratio is less. Okay, nucleoplasmic ratio is less here because now suppose there is a cell. Okay, when it divides like this, the nucleus is here. Suppose this is nucleus. Okay, but at first this was like this. When it divides, the cytoplasm content is same, but the nucleus content is doubled. So nucleus and cytoplasm, at first this cytoplasmic content is great. Okay, nucleus content is small. Now cytoplasmic to nucleus ratio is less. This is happen in animalia actually. Okay, Now, in plants, the growth actually takes expansion and cell division simultaneously. Simultaneously, cell division and expansion. Okay, when cell divide from one to another, it will expand up to certain size. Okay, cell division and expansion simultaneously occur in particularly plants, but not in mammal. Okay. Now, in case of mammals, animalia, the growth actually G1 and G2 phase of cell division is not occur. Okay, this is the phase of cell division. You know, actually S, G1, M, G2. This is the stage of cell cycle. After the zygote, division of zygote at the first time, when one cell to more cells, G1 and G2 stage will not occur. Okay. So the cell division or cell cycle is smaller. The time taken by the cell cycle is smaller actually. Okay. But here the expansion is not occur. Is not seen here. Now, types of growth. Growth may be two types. One is isometric and this is the allometric. What is isometric? This is the geometrical growth. And this is non-geometrical growth. Okay. Now, what is geometrical growth? Geometrical growth is it happens in certain geometrically, like one cell become divided to two, and it become then two and two. So it happens in certain way of geometrical, but this is not occur like that. Like if is divided into two, but it divides into two, but not it, not this one. Okay. Now this divide into two, but not this one. So this is not geometrical growth actually, and this is a geometrical growth. Okay. Now the other stage is, now this is differentiation. Okay. Now what is differentiation? Differentiation from blastomere to different shape. From blastomere to different shape, there is differentiation will occur between two. Then blastomere cells can go through the different shapes. Okay. Now, blastomere to differentiation. Obviously, from blastomere to differentiation, there is a deadline. Actually, this is a committance. Okay, this is a committance. Now, from blastomere to differentiation, there is a middle stage like committance. Okay, so committance actually two types. Now I will talk about committance. What is committance? When committance means commit to someone. Okay, you committed to someone. So this is two type committance. This is actually two types. One is specification and the second one is determination. Now, what is specification? Specification, the state which is reversible. Okay, but determination is non-reversible. You have to specify something. You have to specify something, then determine that I will do that. Okay, in a certain way. So now specification. Specification is generally three types. Actually, to specify one, when there is some other jobs like banking and other official stuffs like that. When you prepare for some government jobs, then what happens? You have to choose one that you can do. Like you selected the banking, that is the specification. You have specified the particular job. Okay, then you determine to do the determine to qualify the job actually. Okay, so this is specification. This is generally three types. Types 1 is autonomous. Okay. Type 2 is conditional. And third one is syncytial. But autonomous and conditional is more important to us actually for CSR NET. Okay, now we'll go to the autonomous specification. Okay, what happened here? Here, the cytoplasmic determinant is important. Okay, in a cell, there is the cytoplasmic determinant, and this is more important in the autonomous specification. This is also called mosaic development. Okay, here, because of cytoplasmic determinant, perspective potence is equal to prospective fate. Okay, that means when there is a cell, actually it goes to the more cells. like that. Okay. The cytoplasmic determinant is more important here. What the message carried out by the cytoplasm is important here. Okay. Now, when we have ruled out this, and this is the remaining one is retained. This is retained. These cells and these cells were ruled out. The cytoplasmic information in these cells will be lost actually in this case because of the prospective potency is equal to prospective fate. So the compensation will not happen here. Okay. If you say that these cells may divide and fate will be the same, that will not occur because the message carries out by this cytoplasmic content is lost. So the prospective potency is equal to prospective fate, and the messages of cytoplasm which is ruled out is not compensated further. Okay. This type of development is occur in like insects, mollusks, okay, and etc. like that. Now we'll come to the next one. Next one is determination, conditional specification. Okay, conditional. What is conditional specification? As the environmental decision is important. Environmental decision. Okay. So cytoplasmic decision is important in the autonomous, but here in conditional, the environmental decision is important. If the environmental condition is changed, then the fate of the cell will be changed. But the loss of the cytoplasmic content is compensated here because main determinant portion is environment, not the cytoplasmic content in case of conditional. Okay. So the prospective potency is greater than the prospective fate. Okay. That means if the cytoplasmic content is lost here, but here like that, two cells are ruled out, these two cells may compensate the messages which was ruled out. Okay, because the cytoplasmic content is not important here. Main important thing is environmental decision. Environmental decision is important here. Such type of example is most in case of mammals, okay, reptiles, etc. Conditional development. Now, third is the syncytial development. This is not so important for the seaside net, but this type of development is seen mainly in multinucleated cell actually. Okay. Okay. Now come to the morphogenesis. Before the morphogenesis, we'll come to the commitment. What is commitment? Commitment actually. Commitment. Okay. Now, this is a promise. Okay. When you promise to someone that I will do that, yeah, I will not do that, such type of that, this is the promise. When at this stage, when a cell, you put it into the neutral test tube, neutral condition. Okay, when you put a cell into the neutral condition, then the fate of the cell will be the same. That means the cell will divide to its fate. Okay, but when another thing, when it will not occur, that means after the promise, determination will be occurred here. Determination will occur. So what is determination actually? Determination is a stage when the commitments, actually fate of the tissue, when a cell is put into a conditional media, then the fate of the cell will change. Okay, to its original fate. The fate of the cell will be changed to its original fate. Okay, original fate. That means when given a condition to a media, even that condition, the cell will differentiate into the original fate. Okay, so this is a differentiation. Okay, okay friends, I will talk the next one into the next video. Then please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.